Okay, welcome guys. So today we're going to discuss about linear regression. So before we move into the today's lecture slide, so I'm going to quickly go through the previous lecture slides. So basically we discussed previously on simple linear regression. That means with one variable, right? So on that we basically discuss about the hypothesis and there are set of hypotheses. Then we come up to this cost function, right? Then we discuss how to reduce the cost function. So basically, so this is the cost function. So in here we basically have our hypothesis with the actual value, right? So the difference between the our hypothesis value with the actual value is the cost or the error, right? So the summation of that is basically the cost function, right? So so we come up with the method to find the how to like come up with the method to reduce the cost function, the value of the cost function, right? For that we basically use the gradient descent algorithm, right? So in here alpha is the leading rate, and here we basically derivate the cost function, right? So we discuss about like how we going to like update the parameters with some portion of alpha, right? So basically we keep reducing or increasing the parameters and come up with a place where our derivative becomes zero. In that position, basically our parameters getting uh, getting like come up to a place where like parameters not changing anymore, right? So that is the basic idea behind this gradient descent algorithm, right? And we discuss about the effect of alpha when it's getting larger and smaller, right? So if it's get larger, then the parameters updating in higher portions on that case. So the exact point where it gives the minimum cost function, right? Minimum value will be like will be not come up to the minimum value, right? If we make the alpha small, in that case, it will takes more time. That means you have to do like the training process or the learning process basically becomes very large. In that case, you have to spend more time to come up to this place, right? So then we discuss about the local and global minimas. Then then we discuss how to get how to update the theta parameters, theta 0 and theta 1. For that, we basically need to get the partial derivatives, right? So we have to partial derivate the cost function on theta 0 and theta 1, right? Then we can basically update the theta naught and theta 0 and theta 1, right? So that's the basic idea for the simple linear regression. So today we're going to discuss about the multivariate linear regression.